Now that I'm not on the field, I want to enjoy the game just like a fan. The one thing I always missed when I was playing was the tailgate. So this season, I'm going to show you guys how it's done. So Julie, welcome again to my tailgate. I'm so excited to have you here. You know, you have Thanksgiving, right? And one of the best things of Thanksgiving, obviously, is the dinner. I'm not taking away from the dinner. Leftovers.
Oh,
like you have the leftovers, you have your turkey sandwiches,
the morning after.
You know, and so for me, I was like, what could we do tailgate-wise that would incorporate leftovers? So I don't know. I don't know what your experience is with the flame.
I've dabbled a little bit in the flame. No, I have no idea how to use a torch.
Okay.
I feel like you are the coolest guy ever if you have a blowtorch at the tailgate.
Right, you're walking through the tailgate, and
boom,
all of a sudden you see some guy there with a torch, just flaming things up. You're like, I need to see what he's doing.
That cool.
That guy's. We should get started.
Okay.
All right, let's go torch some stuff. We're gonna start with our sweet potato casserole. Let's grab some pecans, maple syrups, salt and pepper. We're gonna torch them.
Ooh.
Bernzomatic, 8,000. So you want to see the flame there, so you get that char on the pecans.
Ooh, smoky.
Yeah,
smoky
pop that thing
time.
in there. Comes out looking smooth.
Looking beautiful.
You get to cover the whole thing in marshmallows. Just give it the whole.
All right.
Beautiful char on there. That looks beautiful.
Oh, that smells nice.
Doesn't it? That's a smoky sweet potato casserole right there. I think we should make a drink.
Boom. I like that idea.
I'm going to let you do the honors of burning because I'm
a fan of this.
I feel like you're pretty excited about this.
I need everything now.
I need like a 2-inch diameter. Just torch the thing up. Let it. Yep. See the flames. Good. 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 And let it out.
Ooh.
Ooh. One more. Okay, you're sucked in.
I love that.
Hashtag torch life.
Oh man. How much booze is going on there?
Exactly. And it's a tailgate, right? You want to have a little fun. I'll get the oranges, and then we pour it on in. And cheers to you, madam.
Cheers to you. That is nice.
That's smoky. We're gonna make it buffalo turkey.
Ooh. Buffalo goes very well with mac and cheese too.
Right, mix that all together.
Looking great.
Look, so now we're gonna let it bake. All right, our breadcrumbs.
Wow.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
Amazing mac and cheese ever. Okay.
Brown it up nicely. There it is.
Oh, mama.
You can smell the cheese melting.
We're just in heaven eating this right now.
We'll be eating mac and cheese for the rest of the day.
To sink our teeth into.
If you wouldn't mind whisking that up.
Okay.
This is brown sugar, mustard, Worcestershire. We got everything and anything in there. Half of it over our ham. Chef Julie.
Yeah.
So we let that go. It's gonna smoke, it's gonna melt, it's gonna become delicious.
Oh yeah, I love that sizzle.
Perfect, that's the moneymaker right there. You like a holster.
I know, right? You're not hamstrersing? Wait, let me get a little more juice.
Yeah, okay, I understand. Ham cheers.